Right, breaking news coming in. This is Inside Scoop as far as the Congress's infighting is concerned. Now, Pilot has refused to call off his stir. That's the big breaking news coming in. Sachin Pilot has rejected Congress's Rajasthan request. In fact, Pilot basically has told them that he will only talk to Rahul Gandhi or Mallikarjun Kharge. So, Sachin Pilot remaining defiant, digging in his heel, refusing to take back his stir despite of calls by the Rajasthan in charge of the Congress party. Niyamika still live with us. Niyamika, Sachin Pilot of course continues to be defiant. He's refused to call off his stir. He has rejected the claims and the requests by the Rajasthan in charge. In fact, he has said that he's only going to talk to either Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge.
Absolutely, and Sachin Pilot has made it very clear from the very first day that he is just raising the matter of corruption. He is asking the government to act upon the promises which the Congress party had made during the time of the elections, because the Congress party had promised that they will probe all the corruption cases which being done by the previous regime, and for that matter only Sachin Pilot is here to hold this dharna at Shaheed Smarak. And you can see that even the Congress supporters are also saying the same kind of a thing. But now, after the statement which had come on the part of Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, Sachin Pilot is still firm on his demand. He is still going to hold this dharna despite of the fact that Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, who is the Rajasthan Congress in charge, had asked him to call off this dharna, because he had mentioned that if Sachin Pilot has any kind of demands, if we want to discuss all these issues, then he can raise all these issues within the party forum itself, rather than holding any kind of dharna or protest. So for that matter, now Sachin Pilot has clearly mentioned that he is not going to call off this dharna, and he is going to remain on his demands, and he will only speak to Rahul Gandhi or Mallikarjun Kharge, who is the Congress president, regarding this entire matter. He's saying that assembly elections are also coming in, and we had made certain kind of promises to the people of Rajasthan which we need to fulfill if we want to come back into power in the upcoming assembly elections.
Right, so as far as Sachin Pilot is concerned, Niyamika, he continues to stay defiant. He's refusing to call off his stir, and behind you, of course, we can see a large number of his supporters who have gathered. Pilot, of course, is likely to go ahead with his stir against his own chief minister. Take us through really the visuals coming in from Rajasthan, the type of preparations which have been made by Sachin Pilot's supporters. We believe in about 45 to 50 minutes or so, Pilot is also expected to reach the protest spot and hold a dharna against Ashok Gehlot.
Well, certainly Sachin Pilot is expected to arrive at this location at 11 o'clock, and right now I would like to ask my camera person to show you the visuals that this is the preparation which is being made for the Anshan which is going to take place, and here at the Shaheed Smarak, and the supporters of Sachin Pilot have also started arriving here, as they are saying that whatever demands are being put up by Sachin Pilot are absolutely correct, because that was the promises, that were the kind of promises which the Congress party had made during the last assembly elections to probe the corruption cases of the previous regime, and that is the only reason why people from various states have come in support of Sachin Pilot. We have just spoken to some of the people, some of the supporters here of Sachin Pilot, and they have mentioned that they all have come all across from Uttar Pradesh just to support Sachin Pilot's demand, because he is raising the matter of corruption which the Congress party must probe, because assembly elections are also coming in, and it is very much necessary for the Congress government to fulfill all its promises which were being made during the last assembly election to the people of Rajasthan.